Areas and volumes of similar figures. If the ratio of the sides of two similar figures is A to B, then the ratio of their areas is A squared to B squared. If the ratio of the sides of two similar figures is A to B, then the ratio of their volumes is A cubed to B cubed. Examples: two tins are similar. The ratio of their volumes is 64 to 27. Calculate the ratio of their curved surface areas. If the surface area of the smaller solid is 180 square centimeters, what is the surface area of the bigger tin? Given that the height of the larger tin is 28 centimeters, calculate the height of the smaller tin. So to find the ratio of their sides, we have to find the cube root of 64 and the cube root of 27. The cube root of 64 is 4 and the cube root of 27 is 3. So the ratio of their sides was 4 to 3. Ratio of the areas was 4 squared to 3 squared. 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9. So the ratio of the areas was 16 to 9. Find the area of the larger tin. So we are going to say 16 to 9 is equal to, we don't know the area of the larger tin, we'll say x to 180. So we'll say 16 over 9 is equal to x over 180, and then we'll cross multiply. 9 times x will give us 9x, 16 times 180 will give us 2880. To find the value of x, we'll divide both sides by 9. Our x will be equal to 320 square centimeters. Let h be the height of the smaller tin. So we are going to use the ratio of the sides. So we are going to say 4 to 3 is equal to 28 to h. So we'll say 4 over 3 is equal to 28 over h, and then we'll cross multiply. 4 times h will give us 4h. 3 times 28 is giving us 84. To find the value of h, we'll divide both sides by 4. Our h is equal to 21 centimeters. So the larger tin had a height of 28 centimeters and the smaller tin had a height of 21 centimeters. Two cylinders are geometrically similar. Their heights are 20 centimeters and 30 centimeters, like that. The diameter of the base of the larger container is 12 centimeters. Calculate the diameter of the smaller container. The containers are completely filled with sand. Given that the smaller container holds 2.4 kg of sand, estimate the mass of sand of the larger container. So we are going to say the ratio of sides is 20 to 30. We'll take this to its lowest terms, which is going to give us 2 to 3. The larger container is 12 centimeters. So we are going to say the smaller container we don't know, which we are going to indicate with an x. 2 to 3 is equal to x to 12. So we are going to say 2 over 3 is equal to x over 12, and then we'll cross multiply. 3 times x will give us 3x. 2 times 12 will give us 24. To find the value of x, we divide both sides by 3. Our x is equal to 8 centimeters. Then, to find the ratio of their volumes, we are going to cube the ratio of the sides. 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27. So we'll say 8 to 27 is equal to 2.4 to x, since we don't know the mass of the larger container, and then we'll cross multiply. If you multiply 8 times 8x, you get 8x. 27 times 2.4 is giving us 64.8. Divide both sides by 8. Our x is equal to 8.1 kg for the larger container. Question 3. A cylinder of radius 8 centimeters has a volume of 128 cubic centimeters. Find the volume of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. We take it step by step. The ratio of their radii is 8 to 6. Take that to its lowest terms. It's the same as 4 to 3. Then, since we are looking for the ratio of their volumes, we have to cube them. 4 cubed is the same as 64. 3 cubed is the same as 27. From here, we are going to say, let V be the volume of the cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. Then, 64 to 27 should be equal to 28 to V. From here, what are we supposed to do? We are going to cross multiply. So if you multiply 64 times V, you are going to get 64V. Multiply 128 times 27, you get 3,456. Our V is equal to 54 cubic centimeters. Question 4. Two cylindrical mags are geometrically similar. The smaller mag has a diameter 8 centimeters and holds 125 cubic centimeters of liquid. If the larger mag holds 1000 cubic centimeters of liquid, find its diameter. So since the volumes have been given, we have to cube 125 and cube 1000 to find the ratio of their diameters. If you cube 125, the cube of 125 is 5, and the cube root of 125 is 5, and the cube root of 1000 is 10. Take that to its lowest terms, it is the same as 1 to 2. From there, we can always say 1 to 2 is equal to 8 to x, cross multiply. 1 times x will give you x, 2 times 8 will give you 16. So x is equal to 16 centimeters. The heights of two similar cylinders are 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters. If the volume of the smaller cylinder is 48 cubic centimeters, find the volume of the larger cylinder. It was supposed to be cubed there. So, ratio of sides is equal to 4 to 6. Take that to its lowest terms. It's the same as 2 to 3. From there, we are going to say ratio of volumes is 2 cubed to 3 cubed, which is giving us 8 to 27. From there, we are going to say 8 to 27 is equal to 48 to x. 8 over 27 is equal to 48 over x. Cross multiply. 8 times x is giving us 8x. 27 times 48 is giving us 1296. To find the value of x, divide both sides by 8. Our x is equal to 162 cubic centimeters. As simple as that.